Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video. I'm actually getting ready to go to a bridal shower. Yes, I am going to be wearing a mask. So I'm getting ready right now. It's like an hour and a half away. So I'm going to go ahead and use some hairpins to kind of anchor my hair in place with how I want it to look. I have on like a jumpsuit that I got from Amazon. It's super cute and it fits well. It has tapered legs on it, so even if you are tall like me, it doesn't look goofy. For the time being, I do need it out of my face, but getting the general direction of where I want it to be. Oh, before I do my makeup, I'm going to go ahead and do my edges. I'm using the She Is Bomb Edge Control. This will be linked down below. It'll be an Amazon link. I'm going to tie this back for now while I do my makeup. Alright, for a primer, I'm using the NYX Angel Veil Primer. Alright, I'm going to use the CoverGirl True Blend mineral powder in, I don't even know what shade this is in. Oh, it's in the shade Banana. And I always put powder on my brows before I do them because my eyebrows sometimes get oily. And this isn't going to be a super hardcore eyeshadow and everything look. This is the look I usually do for my wig reviews and stuff. It's simple and it goes with everything. For brows, my hair is lighter, so I don't necessarily have to go with like a dark brown, but I'm gonna use the Uma Beauty baby hair pencil just to outline the bottom, just to get the shape, and then I'm gonna fill it in with a light brown lip liner. And my eyebrows need to be groomed, but I'm just gonna thug it today. I'm sure I'm watching this with Premiere Squad, so shout out to my Premiere Squad. You guys are the best. Even if it's a video that's not popular, it's still fun watching the videos with you guys. I'm so excited about fall and sweaters and stuff. Even though the lookbooks, not lookbooks, but the try on videos I have coming for you guys, they're kind of like more transitional pieces and stuff like that. But I'm excited about sweaters and stuff like that. Okay, so I have the bottom outlined. So I'm going to go in with this lip liner I'm probably going to use on my lip. This is NYX lip pencil in espresso. I'm going to use that to fill in my brows because it's a brown color and it's gonna go with my faux locks. It's gonna look crazy at first probably, but it'll come together. Especially when I carve them out, like clean them up. All right, and to carve out my brows, I am going to use this brush from Master's Touch. This is a painter's brush that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and it's great for carving out the brows. And I'm going to be using the shade 13 from Juvia's Place to carve out my brows. I just kind of put it underneath like that. I need more of a tail on this one, so I'm going to take my pencil and kind of drag it to a point. right, so now I'm gonna carve out the top of my brows. You don't have to do this. A lot of people don't like doing that because they feel like it just looks more natural doing that way. But I want my eyebrows to be a bit more like refined, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna use my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in 330 Toffee. I actually do like this more than the Fit Me. I like that it has a pump. I don't know if they've changed the Fit Me since then, but I like that this has a pump. And then I'm taking my Real Techniques setting brush and I'm just gonna blend out above my brows. All right, so I am gonna take my Black Radiant Soft Focused powder in Golden Almond Finish and I'm gonna set my lids with that using that same brush. And even though this is the same color as like my skin tone, it seems like it deposits a little bit of color, so it looks like I have on eyeshadow a little bit, even though I don't. All right, for lashes, I'm gonna use the Bold Face Bring It On lashes. If that focuses, I don't think that it will, but Bring It On lashes. I have my cute little scissors here, and I'm gonna cut the beginning of the lashes off so it fits my eye better. So I'm just cutting like that, if you guys can see that. The first little section, I'm cutting that off, so because you can always tell like when somebody's eyelashes don't fit, and I've had that happen before. It doesn't feel good and it doesn't look good, so make sure your lashes fit before you glue them on. And I pretty much know the size of my eyes and everything, so I know to just cut off one notch at the beginning. I will be using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive here. I put my adhesive on like liner. Now it gets, when you take them off, you do have to kind of peel off the glue from your lids and stuff. So be careful with that, but I just think it makes it a lot easier to apply lashes. This is how I do it. Just like I'm applying liner. I use black strip lash adhesive, and it doubles as an eyeliner because it looks like you have an eyeliner when you do black. And I put a little bit of glue on the actual lash as well. I'm gonna use my Benefit They're Real mascara while that gets a little bit more tacky. And I kind of put it on at an angle and kind of look up. And then I attach the back at my lash line. And then the inner corner. Then I go back with this part of my tweezers and I make sure it's on there good. You can use your nails as well. Lashes make such a difference even with the most simple look. You don't have to wear lashes, but I adore them. There was a time, if you watched me like 5-6 years ago, I didn't wear lashes because I didn't know how to apply them. But of course, YouTube teaches you everything. So during quarantine practice, if you're somebody who wants to wear lashes but you don't know how to, you can learn anything. I'm using this L'Oreal Extra Intense. It's like a kohl pencil in black. And I'm going to use that to kind of define my eyes a bit. I am going to be wearing a mask, but I do need to take pictures of what my makeup looks like. So I'm gonna still put foundation on. My mask is just gonna have to get dirty and I'm just gonna have to wash it. So I'm using that Maybelline Superstay in 330 Toffee as my foundation. For under eye concealer, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place concealer in shade 13. And to contour, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Where's Walnut contour stick. I use this so much. And it's so affordable and it works well. I'm going to the beginning of my brow to start my nose contour and dragging it down the sides of my nose. I'm going to use this Royal & Langnickel brush to blend out my contour. And then I gotta switch my brush for my nose because it's obviously different. So I'm gonna use this brush here. I think it's from BH Cosmetics, but the stuff is rubbed off, so I don't know. But I like that it's dense, but it's also kind of fanned. Okay, my camera got overheated, so it just automatically turned off. But I set my under eye, and now I'm gonna set my contour with the Kokie Cosmetics powder contour palette in Deep Dark. And I use these shades down here. Kokie Cosmetics is super affordable. You can find them at Rite Aid. This is how I bring like color back to my face. Because you guys, you know, if you see me on Instagram, a lot of times I look really bronzy and stuff. It's because of my, actually the foundation color I use and the contour. I'm gonna use that same brush for my nose. Kind of bring it into my eye socket as well. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with my Soft Focus powder from Black Radiance and Golden Almond Finish. I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place Sahara and Blush palette, and this is the volume 2. I'm gonna use these shades right here. Of course, nobody will really see my cheeks because I will have on a mask, but you know, for the video. I'm gonna put on some bottom mascara. I'm taking this Morphe M504 brush, and I'm gonna use that for my highlighter. I'm using the JCat Beauty You Glow Girl Baked Highlighter in Twilight. And I'm gonna put that between my eyes, on the tip of my nose, on my Cupid's bow, and I also use it on my inner corner. I think I was gonna use a red, but I'm just gonna use this. This is Whatever from Colored Rain. It's a brown. I'm gonna lighten it just a little bit in the center with my concealer and just lighten it in the middle a little bit. All right, let's get my hair how I want it to look. Gonna put on my hoops that I got from Fashion Nova. I think this is a pretty look. It's pretty easy and it's very flattering. All right, I think I'm gonna wear this necklace that I got from Forever 21. It's kind of tangled though. That's the bad thing about these necklaces. They tangle up so easily. I'm probably gonna wear it tangled, and that's gonna be that. It still looks cute even though it's tangled. Yes. Okay. All right guys, so here is the final look. It was very easy. Ugh. It was very easy, and I think it looks super cute. If the outfit looks cute, I'll insert it like in the video and everything. I got this jumpsuit from Amazon. The link will be down below. It will be a affiliate link, so if you purchase through it, you are helping out my channel. This is, like I said, this is probably one of the last times you'll see me with my faux locks because I'm getting back to my review soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more makeup content in the future, let me know what kinds of makeup content, specifically in the comment section. If you are new here, please consider subscribing before you leave. Give this video a big thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. All right guys, so here is my outfit here. I got it from Amazon. It's very comfortable. I forgot what size I have, but I'll put that probably in the description box for you guys. It was affordable and it's super cute. It's not like all the way to my ankles, but it still doesn't look like goofy. And I'm 6 feet tall, y'all. Those that already know, you know, but if you're a new tuning in, I'm 6 feet tall. And I have on these sandals that I got from Rainbow. I wear them all the time. Super comfortable. And I think this is a cute look.